comfortable to me at least. So, hip replacement. Wow. See, it's harder going this way than going into the wind, right? Hey! Okay. We're gonna have a great day, dude. We're having a great day. You're up next, dude. You ran into the right neighbor, huh? Sure glad you moved in, Gary. I needed a little skiing partner, surfing guy. The old fogies living around there. I guess I'm turning into one, but not yet. Hell, he's also had rotor cuff surgery on the other side of his elbow. I mean his shoulder. So that's why he's using one hand. I like his attitude. He's not giving up, dude. He's got a metal plate in his hip. I love the guy to death. Woo! Looking forward to taking your family out tomorrow, Garen. It's going to be very enjoyable. God willing. Here we go. Gosh, are we catching it good today? One boat, two boats. Woo!